Can you see the little robin? See him down there? There he is.
Going back to you.
He's gone through there now.
He's gone down there now.
Yeah, he's gone through there. That's my wife, you can hear, Karen. She's got a channel, look her up. Crafty Eats Yorkshire Lass. Got very good programmes on there. Videos even. So yeah, give her a look. Crafty Eats Yorkshire Lass. A few birds flying about. I think that was a blue tail, I'm not sure. Let's have a look. If we can get it. There it is. No, it's gone. It's all over. There's sparrows. Hey, you can see them. We'll go down this nesting area down here. We'll have a look. He's up there. Oh, he's gone. As soon as I spot you, they're gone.
I don't know, they're just clear.
I apologise to everybody because I forgot my order. Squirrels down there. Squirrels. See if we can get them. You see them? You can see down there. Little squirrel. We get down there, see if we can find any more. I've never seen a red squirrel. I saw a video once, a white squirrel. That was pretty amazing to see. He's down there, look, on that path. Straight ahead. If you have a look, he's got a big bushy tail. He's one off. Be quiet and see if he's just round this corner. Let's have a look. Round here, where the feeders are and things. So we'll have a look. We'll go slowly in case the squirrel's about. Birds everywhere.
Very
Fiddle.
nice.
Yeah. See if we can get near the squirrel. But they have feeders here and tables for the birds. I think the squirrel's gone. Yeah, they've made these tables. Got feeders, but they're empty. Not surprised with the amount of birds about. Such a shame for the squirrel. Nearly win a Burton. Oh, can't believe missed him. Do-do-do-do. Have a look over this wall to see if there's anything there. Then we'll have a wander. There's a squirrel, look. See him? Right in front. See? Going down there. Down there. Let's call the squirrel again. It was worth coming to the fence, you see. I had a feeling it might be that side. Ooh, what's your head? I think my wife Karen missed the squirrel.
I caught one.
Oh, she got one. She did. Have a wander around here. Look at this, all coming out now. It's a lovely sign. Seeing life come back to things. But it literally goes on for miles and miles and miles. Let's have a look. See what we can find down here. Try and get that squirrel again. He went down this way. On the squirrel hunt. Squirrels! Reminds me of the Griswold film. The squirrel on the back. There he is. Shh. See it? Oh. We got him again, but only just. That was a shame. I got him, he was on top of that log, but then he went off. I did catch him. It's a shame that. He was just sitting there. On top of that.
Who was?
The squirrel. So we got him. Then he went off down the bank. We'll have another wander. I said one Griswold hunt for the squirrel. Could be. But he's around here. He's not going far. A few planes about today. There he is. You see him? Down there. Straight ahead. You there? No. I'll try and find him now. He's going off again. Every time I see him, he runs off. We have airplane training near us, and the nosedive, turn the engines off, and then turn them back on again. It's quite frightening when you hear them. If you ever can catch one on film, I will do so for you. But yeah, it's quite frightening. Well, we've got the squirrel a few times. Might be some more, you never know. Let's have a look. What I'll do next time, because I would say that squirrel frequents around here because of the feeders. So I'll bring some nuts, we'll place them down and we'll sit and wait. See if we can catch him. I think we should call it Clark, after Clark Griswold from the Christmas Vacation film. Let's have a look. Look a quiet case. It's about. There he is. Straight ahead. Can you see? There is definitely there he goes. I think after this we'll give him a leave then. There he goes, up there, back over that side. Really lovely to see that. Right, I'll leave it there. But please check out my channel and have a look at my wife's as well, Crafty Eats Yorkshire Lass. So some really good videos on there. And I'll see you next time here on the channel. Thank you once again for joining.